Do you want to know how you can clear your browsing history in Temu? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can clear your browsing history in Temu. Go ahead and open temu.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and hover around your profile, which is on the right hand side. You can click on it, or you can just go down and click browsing history. So click on your profile and you can see on the left hand side there is browsing history. Click on it and you can see that this is your browsing history. Now to delete it, go ahead and see this three lines over here. Go ahead and hover around it and then click delete. It's quite easy, guys. All you need to do is hover around it, click delete, and you can see that it has been deleted. Now let me show it to you once again, guys. Open temu.com, hover around your profile, which is on the right hand side, go a bit down and click on browsing history. Now you can see this is your browsing history. To delete it, hover around the three dots and then click delete. If you want to find similar products, click find similar and then you will have similar products on your screen. So go ahead and hover around and click delete. You can see that your browsing history has now been cleared. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.